So my name is Kit from Bangkok lawyer. I am a Thai lawyer. So today I'm gonna talk with you guys about pleading guilty here in Thailand. As you guys know that when someone committed a crime here in Thailand and then later on they say to the lawyer that I don't want to fight for my case anymore. I just wanna plead guilty. And then are there any chance that I won't be ending up in prison if I plead guilty here in Thailand? Certainly there are high percentage that you could avoid the jail time here in Thailand if you decide plead guilty. Alright. However, it's not every case that you gonna get your imprisonment sentence suspended. Alright. If you plead guilty. As a criminal defense lawyer here in Bangkok, Thailand, here, I have seen several cases here, that a lawyer I defending a lot of cases here, and also some of my clients also, decided to plead guilty, and later they could avoid the jail time here. What is the factor that the Thai court will decide to suspend the jail sentence for the defendant when they decide to plead guilty? This is very interesting one, right? So when the defendant decide to plead guilty, that means, of course, they confess to the court that they committed a crime here in Thailand. However, if you committed the minor offense here, like stealing, or drunk driving, or possession of small drugs here in Thailand, and it's a first-time offense, then that could be a reason for you to get a suspended sentence if you decide to plead guilty. So I would say that there are 3 or 5 factors that you could get a suspended sentence when you confess to the court that you committed the crime here. Alright. The first thing is you have no prior conviction here. You coming to Thailand, you travel like a normal tourist, but you end up doing something, fighting with someone and assaulting somebody, and then you have been charged for the physical assault, right? And then you decided to plead guilty, and then you compensate the victim already. And then the court see that you have no prior conviction here in Thailand, and then you confess, and then you compensate the opposing party already. Why not, right? So you get the court issue a suspended sentence for you, and you get kicked out from Thailand, but you can avoid jail time. And second factor is that the crime that you commit here in Thailand is not like the big one, right? It's not a serious offense. Serious offense could be murder, the drug trafficking, like a big amount of drug trafficking or human trafficking. But if you just only drink driving or maybe stealing and physical assault, but not too badly, not to hurt too much, then if you confess to the court, and then there are the high chance that you get a suspended jail sentence, and then you don't have to go to jail, but you're gonna have to leave Thailand immediately after you get a judgment, right? And the third factor is that you coming from the good background, you contribute to, used to be like the good normal citizen in your country, and then you can show all that evidence to the court that you are the law-abiding citizen in your country, but somehow when you came here in Thailand, something was wrong and then you committed a crime here. That could happen, right? So that is another factor that can be used to support your pleading guilty as well. Alright guys, so today I hope you guys can understand about if you decide to pleading guilty in Thailand, and what are the factors that could help you to avoid jail time here. Alright, I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you and ขอบคุณครับ